The beauty of having a Mishneh Torah, and then later a Shulchan Aruch, and the simple reason why Sephardim would replace one for the other, is because at a certain point we all wanted to be on the same page. And even if there was a community that had some type of personal issue with the Shulchan Aruch, or one ruling of the Shulchan Aruch somewhere, it didn't matter. As a Jewish nation, we accepted that we're all operating by the same rules, by the same regulations. It doesn't take away from the freedom of a rabbi to disagree with something on a case-by-case basis. It doesn't take away from the freedom of the chachamim in every place to develop halakha to other places. But it gave us a common ground. We're all operating based off of the same rules, off of the same books, off of the same codes. When we talk about the Shulchan Aruch and the Mishneh Torah, it's really important that we don't stop at the religious aspect of this all. Whether or not Maran incorporated Kabbalistic ideas into the services of the Shabbat morning or not, doesn't matter in this conversation. What matters in this conversation is that across the Jewish nation, we were united by our codes of law. The dream was Sanhedrin. We didn't get that dream, so we got second best. But second best is incredible. And when you look at an Am Yisrael who for 2,000 years managed to operate as an autonomous Jewish nation in exile, it gives us hope to say, wait a second, you're saying the Jewish people could all rally around one law? Of course we can. We've done it before. We can do it again. And when we wrote such books of halakha, the purpose wasn't to complicate people's lives with details. The purpose wasn't to kowtow the different opinions or whatever accusations people have to stunt the growth or development of halakha. The purpose was to get rid of the chaos, get rid of the confusion, and to bring clarity, to bring understanding, and most of all, to give accessibility to every single person in Am Yisrael. So when a little school child goes to the rabbi, and they say, Rabbi, listen, you said something on Shabbat. You said we have to do something on Pesach. Or you said that, Rabbi, but in the Shulchan Aruch it says something else. Can you please explain to me why you said what you said? The response of a chacham is not, who are you to bring me a book and question me? The response is, wow, I also am obligated to the same legal code that you brought me. Let me try to explain to you why it is that I said what I said. Or, if you're right, young 9-year-old child, I will retract my opinion and go back to following the code that you just showed me. The beautifully free society that such a system creates is unparalleled in the history of the world, and only Am Yisrael had it. And that's what we're hoping for. That's what we're dreaming for.